Hi Stampers, I'm Jill and I'm so excited to show you the new cling stamps that we have in our occasions catalog. And at convention I learned all the positives about these and they're amazing. So what is a cling stamp set? Let me show you. It's a rubber mounted stamp right here, and on the other side on the actual stickers is adhesive. It adheres right to your block. And then you can peel it off when you're not using it. So let me show you how to mount those stamps. I'm going to take one from the Meant to Be stamp set. It looks like the regular clear mount, but the difference is in the sticker. So I'm going to show you how you would mount them. You're going to go ahead and take your sticker right here, and you're going to take the backing side off of the sticker. Let me peel it back. And so I'm just going to peel this section around the heart. I'm going to leave that center part in there and I'll show you why. So this part I'm going to go ahead and peel this off on that. Okay, that looks the same as the clear mount stamps. But what's different is this part right here is very sticky on the other side. So what you want to do is when you're mounting them is you want to go ahead and line up your image. So I'm going to take the round of the heart right here, and I'm going to try to, before I set it down, because once you set it down it sticks and you can't peel it back up. So I'm going to go ahead and look at the picture right here, and I'm just going to kind of roll it down from one side to the other and then press. Okay, then I'm going to go ahead and peel this up like so, and then it's super sticky. So it goes right on your block like that, and you just peel it up. You can see how it's very clingy that way. So I'm not going to use this part right here, so I'm just going to take that out. But it's super sticky, and then you just mount it on your clear block. And then when you're using it, it's not going to come off at all. So, and then when you're done, you want to peel it from one side to the other. Don't go ahead and grab it like this, but peel it from one side to the other. And you'll want to store them in your case, and you can store them like that. But remember, don't just grab it like this. Go ahead and peel it from one side to the other. And if you feel like the stickiness has gone from your stamp, you could just rinse them underwater and it comes back. The stickiness will work. So those are the new cling mount stamps. You'll love them. They're amazing and they stay on your block perfectly. So in our new occasions catalog, we have the cling mount. We will also have them in our 2019 annual catalog. Our occasions catalog goes live in January, and if you don't already have a demonstrator, I'd love to send you one. So just let us know if you'd like to have a new occasions catalog. We'll see you next time. Have a happy stamping day.